Welcome to the first video of this channel. This channel is called Mike Majdani, which is actually my name. This is me. This is Mike, okay? And I am a senior software engineer. And I specialize in front end the most, so you can call me a senior front end engineer, okay? But you know, software engineering, it includes front end engineering, so yeah, you can call me a software engineer or a senior front end engineer, okay? So you call me whatever you want. Let me tell you what content you're gonna be expecting out of me on this channel, okay? You're gonna be expecting content that's focused on actually monetizing your skills. So first, let's start about the path that's gonna be about how to get a tech job. So this is the first path you can make money out of development, okay? We're gonna be talking about a lot of stuff regarding your CV, your GitHub, your LinkedIn, your certificates, your degrees. So all these topics are gonna be covered on this channel. We have the second path, which is the freelancer path. So how you can actually get clients as a freelancer in development, how you can present a contract to your client once you want to work for him, and all these stuffs regarding how to succeed as a freelancer are going to be covered also. And we got the third path, which is actually the entrepreneurship path, which is how to build a business as a coder or as a software engineer. So if you're looking to build your own SaaS or software as a service, how you can do so, what skills you need to actually make it as a software engineer plus an entrepreneur and actually make money from things you create yourself. So all these topics are going to be covered on this channel. Alongside this channel, I've built a complete website which is called DevTreasure, okay? So I'm actually the founder of DevTreasure, and this website is going to be following me across this journey on YouTube. So Mike Majdani is actually the figure behind DevTreasure. So this is how you need to understand it. And to explain DevTreasure, DevTreasure is a place where you can actually get courses that are special and made by us, the team. What I mean by special courses is actually things that aren't taught really too much on the internet. Like a front-end engineering course is not going to be interesting on DevTreasure because it's everywhere. But a like 3JS course or like how to integrate 3D in your websites could be better, okay? So this is what we're focusing on DevTreasure. Or probably a lot of nice ideas that aren't really taught elsewhere. Like, of course, there are going to be other courses like the ones we're doing on DevTreasure, but we make it in a way that's really special. So I'm not going to talk a lot about DevTreasure. We can leave that for another video, but you have to know that I am connected to DevTreasure. Plus, we're building a community on Discord. So if you want to join the Discord, we're talking only about how to make money as a developer there and how to succeed like monetizing your journey with coding. Okay, we can talk about technical skills if you want, but our focus is actually how to succeed as someone who has coding skills. So this is my main objective on Discord. So if you want so, go join me on DevTreasure's Discord and we can probably do live sessions once the community starts to grow. Okay, so this is it for my intro, this trailer for this channel. I'm going to be helping you succeed as a developer and make money. I'm going to also help you with providing you awesome courses, some skills that aren't really saturated and taught by other developers, okay? And we're going to be building a community, me and you, okay? So let's do it.